It's September 24, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made potato and chorizo hash. It also includes some onion, garlic, and red and orange bell pepper. And I made some garden salad, and we're just gonna use Caesar salad dressing. And there you go, guys. This is our dinner. Kain tayo! Today is September 25, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made caramelized Vietnamese pork. I used ground pork for this. I also made pickled cucumber with vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper, and of course my cucumber, and I added cilantro. We're gonna pair it with white basmati rice, and for dessert we got two types of ice cream. This is Halo Top caramel macchiato, and the other one is Haagen-Dazs coffee. So this is our first time trying this Halo Top. I hope it's good, but the coffee one from Haagen-Dazs, I highly recommend it, guys. It is so good. There you go. Kain tayo! It's September 26, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made munggo with spinach, tomatoes, onion, garlic, and shrimps, and of course boiled mung beans. We're gonna pair it with white basmati rice, and I have chicharron here, or pork crackling. Kain tayo! It's September 27, 2018, and this is what we're having for dinner. I made shrimp fettuccine. There you go, guys. Kain tayo!